Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello viewers, today we will learn opposite words. Let's start. Big, small. The elephant is big and the ant is small. Hot, cold. The face is hot and the face is cold. Up, down. The balloons are up and the ball is going down. Fast, slow. The man is fast and the tortoise is slow. Happy, sad. The face is happy and the face is sad. Open, close. The door is open and the door is closed. Wet, dry. The t-shirt is wet and the t-shirt is dry. Day, night. The scenery is day and the scenery is night. Light, dark. The bulb is light and the sky is dark. Hard, soft. The rock is hard and the teddy is soft. Full, empty. The jar is full and the jar is empty. On, off. The switch is on and the switch is off. Tall, short. The man is tall and the man is short. High, low. The temperature is high and the temperature is low. Loud, quiet. The boy is loud. The boy is quiet. Heavy, light. The stuff is heavy. The leaf is light. Left, right. The arrows are left. The arrows are right. Early, late. The morning is early and the night is late. Clean, dirty. The table is clean and the table is dirty. Sweet, sour. The donut is sweet and the food is sour. Smooth, rough. The clay is smooth. The clay is rough. Near, far. The house is near. The house is far. Thick, warm, cool. The temperature is warm. The temperature is cool. Happy, angry. The face is happy. The face is angry. Hungry, full. The boy is hungry. The boy is full. Young, old. The boy is young. The woman is old. Fresh, stale. The fruits are fresh. The veggies are stale. Rich, poor. The guy is rich. The family is poor. Clean, messy. The kids are clean. The boy is messy. Strong, weak. The man is strong. The old guy is weak. Cry, laugh. The girl is crying. The boy is laughing. Shy, confident. The woman is shy. The girl is confident. Awake, asleep. The woman is awake. The boy is asleep. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!